Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can organize your project in Asana, so let's get right into it. Now, once you've created your project, and as you can see, it is a completely blank project, I'm going to add some random tasks, such as task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, and task 5. And let's say that this is completely unorganized. I'll just drag it around and make it disorganized so that I can organize it later, such as this. Now, let's say it looks something like this, and let's just say the due dates are all out of whack. So for example, this due date can be at the 10th of September, this due date can be at the 3rd of September, this due date can be at the 11th of October, this can be at the 26th of September, and then this can be at the 19th of September. Now, as you can see, this has already been completed, and this is really unorganized as is already. And let's just organize them a bit. Now, of course, you can just drag them and drop them wherever you would like. I'll drag task 5, which has been completed, to the top. The task 1 is the next up, and let me just add myself as an assignee. This is what you can do to, well, assign people to that task, and they'll get an alert saying that they have to do it. Now, let's just organize this chronologically and put the October one at the very last place, and this is basically what you need to do to organize it. Now, you can also add sections, which is, for example, section 1, and I'll add section 2. Section 2. You can also use sections to organize them depending on the nature of the task at hand. So for example, let's say task 5, task 1, and task 3 are part of a series of tasks that are pertaining to the first section. For example, if you have one deliverable over here and you need to use those tasks to achieve it, and you need task 2 and 4 to achieve section 2, then you're going to organize them through these sections. For example, if I just click it like this and select these 3 and then drag them all the way over to section 1, as you can see, they're organized chronologically in section 1, and then I can just select these 2 tasks again, hover over section 2, drag them there, and that is pretty much how you organize your project. If I go into timeline now, it's going to be a neat sort of cascade effect like so. It's going to look sort of like a descending order like so. As you can see here, well, it might not be actually like that, but as you can see in section 1, you have task 5, task 1, and task 3 all organized in a descending order due to their time frame, and then you have task 2 and task 4, which also go in a descending order, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.